Let's go ahead and get started. We've got a general form here, and I've already got a Formli HTML form wired up here with just a text field and an error and success message. And this is the form that we're going to be working on today. It's going to be a simple file upload, asks for your first name, you upload a file, and you press submit. And we can take a look at this. It's pretty simple here. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So to get started, what we're going to do is we're going to go into embed on website and we're going to flip this over to HTML. Now you're going to notice here it says make sure your website is authorized for file uploads. This is important because you need to authorize the domain where your website is hosted. And the reason why we do that is that we don't want people uploading a bunch of stuff from sites that aren't yours because it costs money to upload these files. So we're going to go into authorized domains, and what we want to do is we want to say, all right, the website where this file is being hosted, I want to make sure that it is in my authorized domains right down here. And make sure you don't have a trailing slash. That can be kind of tricky sometimes. All right, but let's jump back into this Formli. We can go to embed on website and we go to HTML. And yes, our website is authorized for file uploads. You're going to notice that there is an additional script that we're going to embed here. We're going to be embedding a new JavaScript library called Elements. And we're going to go ahead and pop that into the header of our site. Just like that. Great, we'll save it. And then, like I said, I have most of this form already filled out. So I am just going to go in and I'm just going to copy the file upload field because that's really all I need here. And so to embed a form field, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to use a custom code block. And we can paste this code in here just like so. Now you're going to notice this OS file upload HTML element. You've probably never seen that HTML element before because it's a custom HTML element that gets added whenever that JavaScript loads. So you should note that if you don't have JavaScript enabled on your computer, you won't be able to do file uploads. Nothing we can do about it. But here we can run through this real quick. We can see we've got a label, we've got a file upload, we've got a button to reset the field, and then we have a success and we have an error field. And of course, we could break all of these out into separate Webflow containers and really get fancy, but we're going to do something quick. We're just going to pop this HTML in, save it like this, and we're going to publish. And you'll notice here, like the HTML shows up, the header shows up, the reset button shows up, the upload success shows up, but where's our OS file upload? Well, again, this gets completed whenever the JavaScript is evaluated, and Webflow doesn't evaluate in the designer. So it's just going to be blank for now, but we can go here and we can refresh our site, and you can see we've got a first name and we have a file upload, and you may not be able to see this, but I'm just going to pick a file here. We get a upload success, and of course we can customize this to look however we want. All the styles are native to the page, so you can make this look however you want. We can click reset if we want to choose a new file, but let's just go ahead and pick one for fun here. And we'll pick that file and we'll click submit, and it says your submission has been received. So now that we've submitted the file, we can go over into our response views, and I've went ahead and created a response view for HTML upload. And I will refresh this page, and here we can see we've got a new upload. If I click on that, that's the screenshot we uploaded. So yeah, there's a lot more you can do, but hopefully this gives you an idea of how you can use file uploads with Formli. And yeah, have fun. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you enjoy.